Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Temu Pick 5 game for prizes. So generally, you want to go ahead and locate the game. So the Temu Pick 5 free gifts, often referred to as a 5 or 8 free gift game, is a referral based promotion where users select items and invite friends to click their invitation link to cut the prices of the gifts to zero. So winning requires substantial, consistent participation and active new user referral. So all you need to do is go to the U tab and simply go ahead and click on games and rewards, or earn credits and free gifts, and then you want to simply go ahead and look for 5 or more items from the available catalog and click on the cut button to reduce the price of your gift. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.